Do you remember when we used to run away through the night?
Good morning. Good morning. Woo! Good morning, everybody. Okay, so it's now the morning after. Myself and Josh are sat having breakfast on our beautiful terrace. Josh just made me a fruit salad with cut up apples, which is my favourite way to eat apples. If you don't eat apples cut up, then strange behaviour. Filling in my do it for yourself motivational journal to give me a bit of positive affirmations for the day. Josh's got green tea. What have you got for breakfast, Josh?
Cream cheese on toast.
Come on, say that with a bit more enthusiasm.
Cream cheese on toast.
He's not good in the morning, this Josh. That's one thing I'll say about my darling boyfriend. Such a lovely man. Such a lovely man during the day. However, if this man is tired in any respect, morning or night, mainly morning, he turns into a different person. It's like he's actually unrecognisable. Right now he's got this little frown. He's thinking, "Will this bitch shut up?" And he knows I've promised I'm a morning person. So it's not the vibe for you, is it, darling?
My dog can relate.
Your dog is literally the same.
My dog's not a morning person.
No.
Hello vlog. Good morning. Can't lie. She's pissing me off this morning. She's hyper. She just made me get rid of the entire fruit salad that I went in and took time to make. I chopped everything up. And she got rid of it.
It wasn't nice. The apple wasn't very nice, and the grapes were too thin.
She got rid of it so she could have what I had. Because we have to have everything the same.
Okay, so we've just come to a restaurant in Kusadasi and we've gone for nachos to start. How delicious do these look?
Absolutely stunning.
Absolutely stunning. So excited to eat these. Oh my god. Okay, apologies because my burger has already been eaten, my chips have already been eaten, but our burgers have just come. How good do they look?
We went for Turkish food tonight. Absolutely banging.
Look at that. Insane.
We recommend Turkish food, it's amazing.
Look at that. Oh my god, this burger is made, it's literally homemade. Chips, it's excellent. We had nachos, they were excellent. This is such a find. What's this place called? It's called like...
You didn't film the nachos, did you?
It's called like Oxaport. Well, I'll tell you when I leave, but this place is amazing. It's literally so nice. It's so like classy and beautiful surroundings. And like relatively quite cheap, to be honest. Do you know what I think? Really quite cheap. If it's 135 lira for a burger.
A fiver for a burger.
That's so cheap. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. For this, that's ridiculous.
Do you want a taste test for the vlog?
Come. Wow. Go on. Good. That's a good burger, huh?
Do you know what? I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that.
That's nice, isn't it? Refresh. That's like a homemade burger vibe, isn't it?
That's been properly made. That's been properly homemade.
Yeah.
That is
delicious.
That is so nice. That is so nice.
Amazing. Love it.
I'm sure we're on the right thing.
I don't even know how I'm going to speak to the vlog. I don't even know.
I don't even know if they're going to be able to hear this, like, playing back.
Guys, we've gone on a boat trip. And basically, it's just the whole thing from business. We've got on to Captain Jack Sparrow's boat.
We were really looking forward to this as well.
I'm literally dressed up. Where's Holly dressed on?
I've got my white dress on.
We went on the bus with other couple, I think they're from Essex, and I'm not gonna lie, they're sitting over there, and they look so upset. It's so funny. Okay, so we've just arrived at our first little stop. The water is literally crystal clear. I just had a bit of a drama trying to find a hairband, so I realised I didn't bring any hairbands to have my hair out. It's a bit of stress. I had to.
So she stole someone else's.
Yeah, and then I've got my poly bikini all ready to go.
Wow, you look stunning.
Josh, swimmers, Calvin Klein, very nice. Go on.
I'm just gonna sit down. Yes, bitch! Hit with the stanky leg international.
Okay, so we just got our lunch. We got like a little Fanta, got some salad, some pasta, little, I don't know what this is, chicken thing, bread, this thing. What do you think? We were the first people to pretty much go up. Nice?
There is a story about us two, and it's written about me and you. Nothing can bring us down, 'cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now, 'cause we are forever young.
It's like a chili butter.
Ooh. They said they asked us when we booked this restaurant. They were like,
you need to make sure you have a
"Is she a reservation? Which way?
Which way?
Which way? Oh my god. Right, so I went for calamari with I've got tartar sauce, bit of lemon, bit of salad. Josh, what have you got?
I've got the chef soup, which today is tomato.
It's got mozzarella.
By the look of it, some croutons and some mozzarella.
Can't wait to eat some.
Mozzarella is actually really hard to find.
Can't wait to try it, babe. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, your dad's going crazy at my story. Wait.
Okay. Come on. He's cute. He's like, take me to my room. Oh. You're joking. That's not even funny, look. You can order this if you wanted it again.
It doesn't matter, I can order this on top of my breakfast. Stop
Where's the
it.
fork? Oh, did he say to bring it over?
Can you take them?
Did he say he was bringing the cutlery?
I don't know.
Oh wow, look what we've got.
This is stunning.
Oh, that's all-inclusive dinner, babe.
It's just who we are, you know.
Do you know what I mean? Whoa, 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 whoa.
I've got food envy right now.
Have you actually?
The thing is, I almost got the steak, but I thought, do you know what? I'll actually try the lamb.
Why do you always try to be different?
No, the thing is, I saw it and I was like, I don't know what I was in the mood for. I saw it and I thought, I'm kind of in the mood for lamb. No, but I thought, do you know what? Genuinely, I thought instead of just copying you like I always do, like the vlog knows I always do. Every time any of us order something, we go, oh yeah, I'll get the same thing, and then we always go halves. Do you know what? I thought I'll stick to my guns. I'll get the lamb.
What is that? Oh my god, what is that?
I don't know if it's capturing it.
I don't know what it should. If you taste that, so I'll eat the other. Okay, ready? By the way, tortilla wraps. What is that? What's that, please? What is that, please? Yes, please. Okay.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Okay.
Yes, please, pretty lady. Yes, please.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. So Josh has gone for a lamb chops.
I've gone for a bit of onion with the skin on. I've actually, do you know what? I judge, but I've actually seen a lot of chefs, like actual chefs. They just cook onion as it is, and they just serve it as it is because the skin naturally just peels itself off. So, for that reason, I'm not judging the onion. I'm not judging the onion based on the fact that the skin hangs off like this.
So vlog, we woke up this morning at 5:45 AM.
I feel fresh as a daisy now.
Do you? I don't.
No, I don't. I'm hungry and I want to go home and be all inclusive.
I'm hanging out my arse.
Do you know what I had for breakfast, vlog? Reheated pasta from 3 days ago that we forgot we had.
Vlog, we fell out last night. We had an argument. Friends are going to the house, that's the main thing. Just a bit of reality for you guys.
You are Apollo and I am Artemis and you are Apollo. Or I am
sisters.
Am I Apollo and you're Artemis?
They're sisters, babe, do you know what I mean?
We're not sisters.
No.
Sisters.
I appreciate this is
You're
cool.
walking away from me.
Hang on, where?
No. I'm hiding now.
Wait, so at the moment we're at the Temple of Artemis, which is what, Josh? Look, this is all that remains.
Oh wow, it's all that remains.
Basically just a fucking load of rocks in it, do you know what I mean?
We paid 40 quid for this.
I mean, that's kind of cool.
Look, it's the base of a column. Architecture. Look, it's a. I can't classify as to which of the Greek orders that this column follows because I can't see the top. It's looking to me, that's looking like an Ionic column.
Is it?
It's looking a bit Ionic to me.
Do you know what? I really need a wee.
It's not looking particularly Doric.
I really need a wee, and the man just told me to go behind the bush, and I said, I can't go on sacred ground. I can't. That's just wrong.
You think a 50,000 kilo column, like that's sunk into ground, you think that's going anywhere? Are you dumb? Leaning Tower of Pisa, no foundations, is that going anywhere?
A bit worried
No.
it's gonna fall on you, babe.
It's alright, I'll hold it up.
Oh really?
Yeah, if it falls, I'll just catch it.
Oh my god, there's a bird nest at the top. There's a bird nest. Okay, so we're now at Ephesus, and basically we've lost someone in the group.
Our tour guide is getting stressed.
Stop! You can't eat the vlog. Josh, what are you doing?
International
Oh,
pussy.
it's a cute cat.
I'm on international pussy patrol, boys.
How do you know it's not got fleas?
I don't, but I do know actually a fun fact about cats. They invented the meow to try and get humans to domesticate them. They don't do it to each other.
Really?
Yep. They just do it because they know we find the sound cute. That's the only reason why they meow.
What?
Claws.
He's a wild cat.
I'm literally recognising our whole. We keep getting lost. I'm literally recognising our whole group based on these two ladies and their matching bucket hats.
Look where we are. I don't even know. Josh, it's not now. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
So Ephesus.
Ephesus.
Basically,
So,
you just had
kitchen nightmares.
that Gordon Ramsay kitchen nightmare.
Gordon Ramsay would take one look at it and go, "Fuck off! I'm not eating that. I'm not eating that shit."
And now we were going to go to the House of Virgin Mary.
But we just ended up at a fashion show.
But instead, we're at a leather fashion show.
Don't say we're not. Don't say we never do anything spontaneous, guys. It's Britney, bitch.
I don't know what to expect, so I'm not gonna lie.
I've accepted my fate. Hi vlog. So we're at the House of Virgin Mary. Queue is very long, and I fell asleep on the bus, and I was called out. But what we're doing, we're drinking. They got some holy water, and then what we're doing is we're using a little discount card we had because no one has any paper on them. And basically, what you do is you leave. You make like a wish and you hang it on this wall.
You see the wish?
If I see it, it's not going to come true. Aww. I wish that me and Josh are together forever.
Heart emoji.
Aww.
Oh, yes. There you go. It's your wish, Josh.
I haven't made one. Gonna wish for lots of. Don't look at me like that.
Yay! I wish for
Whose pen was this?
the man with the red hat. I wish for a long, happy, healthy life, a big, happy family with Ella. Oh, he's a soppy bollocks, really. Should we tie it?
I don't know. It's a face mask. I don't know, like how to. Oh, I've got a spot. I've got a spot. They're my one. And Ella's one goes. Ella's one goes separately to Josh, unfortunately.
No. We do everything together.
Not this time.
What? No. Okay, bye wishes. Bye wishes.
We are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now.
Hey guys, I'm out at sea again. Basically a
Back on
sailor.
the boat. Josh just did a plait in my hair. Look, what do we rate it out of 10? Now, sunglasses, I actually don't even think it's that bad. I'll show you.
I'll give it.
I don't even think it's that bad. Genuinely.
You can't really see it.
It's not that bad.
You don't need to see it. I would give it 10 John Frieders out of 10.
Yeah, it's not great. But today we are going diving. We're going scuba diving. We're on another boat.
We're so spontaneous.
I know. On another boat. It's a smaller boat this time. You see a cruise ship over there. And yeah, we're gonna go swim with some fishes. We just signed some like kind of sus contract. talked about how
like they're not responsible for anything that happens.
If we die, it's not their fault. But I mean, that's fine. You know, you only live once, right?
Nothing can bring us down, 'cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now, 'cause we are forever young. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. 'Cause we are together now. Nothing can bring us down. 'Cause we are together now. Not even time can stop us now. 'Cause we are forever.